Hello everybody, today I'll be doing stuff I got from Avon Valley Railway. So first we got this all change it crew with a class 40 in it, and a oil Scott in the background. Now I got coaster, Edwin Holst coaster. Then I got a semaphore. Also, one of the volunteers, Noah, he got one of these as well. Basically, like that. But yeah, it's the just gives you history about it. Yeah, and there's the engine from last year. The engine from last year. Cranford. Yeah, and I think somewhere in here is a Wimbleberry. Picture of Wimbleberry. There we go. Wimbleberry. Masquerading as Glendale. There is the Edwin Holst. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, perfect. And that's it. That is stuff I got from Avon Valley Railway today. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.